I see so many of you out here working 18-hour days, trying to DM everybody back, trying to answer and reply to every single email, jumping on one-on-one Zoom calls with everybody. And at the end of the month, you lucky if you even made $400, if that. You're exhausted, you're resentful, and you're sitting back wondering, why is this so damn hard? Why am I working more than everybody else out here on these internet streets, and I'm not even touching a quarter of what they're making? And it's not because you're not working hard. It's not that at all. It's because you're trying to build a Gucci store with Wal-Mart prices. But what this brings us to decision 3, okay? You need to decide if you're building a volume-based type of business. We're talking the Walmarts and the Targets. Or are you building a value-based type of business? And we're talking about like a Gucci store, okay? You cannot be both, especially in the beginning. You have to pick one and go in on that before you can do another. Let's look at the Walmart Target type of business model, okay? They sell things that for cheap, that are low ticket. $5, $10, $20. And because the price is low, they need thousands of people walking through their door every day in order for them to make money. Now, if you decide that you want to sell a $27 ebook, that's a Walmart type of business model. And that's fine because I love a low ticket funnel, okay? I love them. But here's the rule. If you are going to have a Walmart, you cannot offer concierge service, okay? The cashier at Walmart is not carrying your bags out to the car for you. They are not sitting down asking you about your life goals at the Walmart. What they are doing is they are scanning the product, putting it in the bag and saying next, okay? So if you are selling a $27 ebook, stop offering one-on-one coaching and mentorship via the DM because you're losing money on every minute that you spend doing that extra. Now let's talk about the Gucci store type of model. This is like your high ticket, your coaching, your consulting programs, your done for you services. You can charge anywhere from $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 or more, just depending upon the type of services that you offer. You don't need thousands of customers walking through your business every single month in order to make some money. You only need about 5 to 10 people a month to live like a queen. But here's the rule to this. If you're going to charge Gucci pricing, you can't give Walmart service, okay? You have to know their name. This has to be like Cheers, where everybody knows your name. You got to know their name. You have to answer their emails. You have to show up for them because people who pay attention. They're paying for access and speed. Now, here's where you're failing. There's a mismatch. You're pricing your products at like $47, which is like a Walmart price or a Target price model, right? But you're trying to give your people one-on-one support like Gucci. Now, that is not a business, that's charity, and you're going to burn out within 90 days or cannot sustain it because it costs money to be able to deliver at such a high level when you're not making the money to be able to do all of those things at that high of a level, okay? Or you're charging Gucci pricing, okay? But your website looks cheap. You're trying to do everything for free. Your audio is bad and you ghost your clients like a Walmart type of situation, like scam, put it in the bag and next, type of thing. That you come across like a scam at that point. So decision 3 is simple. Look at your product. Okay. Determine, is it low ticket? If it is, you need automation. You need systems in place that's going to sell this baby for you around the clock because you cannot afford to talk to every single customer. But if it's a higher ticket, okay, type of product, you need intimacy in those. Okay. You should show up and lead in those. Okay, so I have products in both lanes. I have my digital toolkits and my low ticket community. Okay, that's when they actually purchase it, they use it. I don't do coaching in there, or anything like that. But my mastermind and my accelerator programs, that's when they actually get me. That's when they get the general. Okay, that's more of the Gucci level right there. So you have to be clear about what it is you are building. Hey, look, if you're not sure which one of these business models is right for your personality, okay, make sure you go check the 6 decisions checklist. I broke down the pros and the cons of the value model versus the value model. It's in my free community, She Builds with AI. The link will be below. Don't accidentally build a business that you hate, okay? Tomorrow, we're going to be doing the math on things. We're going to be breaking down the pricing, and I'm going to show you exactly why selling cheap products is actually harder than selling expensive products, okay? The math ain't mathing for most of you, okay? And we are going to fix that. So subscribe, pick your model, and I'll see you tomorrow.